Meta AI just hit a jaw-dropping milestone, 1 billion monthly users. Mark Zuckerberg's chatbot is taking over. But how big is it really? Today on GadInsider, we're diving into this massive reveal and what it means for AI. Stick around, this is a tech revolution. GadInsider, your ultimate source for tech, gadgets, and AI breakthroughs. At Meta's annual shareholder meeting, Mark Zuckerberg dropped a bombshell. Meta AI now has 1 billion monthly active users across WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and Messenger. That's a billion people chatting with AI every month. Let's unpack this huge news. Meta AI, powered by Llama, helps users plan trips, generate images, or get quick answers right in your favorite apps. Launched in 2023, it's grown from 185 million weekly users in August 2024 to 600 million monthly by December, and now a billion in May 2025. But here's the catch. We don't know how many actively seek out Meta AI versus just seeing it in feeds. Still, X posts are buzzing. Users love its seamless integration, although some say it's no ChatGPT yet. With 3.2 billion daily app users, Meta's reach is unmatched. This milestone puts Meta AI ahead of rivals like Google Gemini, thrusting it into the AI chatbot lead. Zuckerberg's betting on AI to drive Meta's future, and with plans to expand globally, like in Japan, it's only getting bigger. GadInsider fam, have you tried Meta AI yet? What's your go-to feature? Chatting or image generation? Drop it in the comments. Smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay locked into GadInsider.